Inngest claims to be the best platform for event-driven workflows, but does it really deliver? With so many options out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Let's dive in and see if Inngest lives up to the hype. So what exactly is Inngest? At its core, it's designed to streamline event-driven workflows, allowing users to automate processes based on triggers from various sources. The interface feels intuitive, especially for those familiar with similar platforms. Users can easily set up workflows that connect different apps, which can save a ton of time. However, while the setup seems straightforward, some users might find the initial learning curve a bit steep, especially if they're new to automation. The documentation is decent, but it could use more real-world examples to help illustrate complex workflows. What stands out is the flexibility in integrating with a wide range of apps, which can be a significant advantage for developers. Still, I noticed there's a lack of clarity around certain features, like error handling, which can be crucial for businesses relying on automation. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Inngest offers a robust integration capability, which is fantastic for those looking to connect multiple services. The user interface is clean and mostly user-friendly, making it accessible for both tech-savvy users and beginners. However, there are some downsides. The learning curve can be frustrating, especially without comprehensive tutorials. Additionally, the pricing structure isn't the most transparent, which might leave potential users scratching their heads. For smaller teams or individuals, the platform might feel a bit over-engineered, while larger organizations looking for powerful automation tools could find it beneficial. Still, it's essential to weigh these factors before jumping in. In conclusion, Inngest has a lot to offer, especially for those who need a powerful event-driven workflow platform. However, if you're just starting out or need something straightforward, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth a try, but make sure to do your research first to see if it fits your needs.